I don't like living in town. I hated it. I've always been a country pumpkin. Coming out here, it's quiet. You got all the bird life, you got your animals. To anybody who wants to go off grid, just do it. I know you look at the bank account and how we're going to pay for this and try and sort that afterwards. There's some things we had to learn along the way, and it was tough, and the budget was tough.
But in actual fact, Phil, he's got that sense of self-discipline. He'll pay his bills at the beginning of the month, and then any money left over, right, I can now get X, Y, Z thing for the shed or the building. All right, now we've got to get the solar, now we've got to get this. Yes, it has been tough, but I think it's helped that we live fairly simply within our budgets. Well, you can't go over your budgets, you just can't.
No. Our monthly expenses have changed, and I had a very serious look at my pay and where my money was going. So I had $300 odd going out for medical insurance. I looked at myself and I says, am I healthy and fit? And I went, yes. So right, get rid of it. There's $300 a month in my pocket. I'm over 65, so now I'm allowed to stop my super from going in. The thought is that I'm getting very little interest for that money. So if we put that money into the house, rent the house out for 2 years once it's finished, that money will come back in faster than what I'm putting in my super. So we've done a bit of a jiggle round, a bit of think about things, how fit, how healthy you are, what sort of money you're going to spend.
There's been a big difference in our monthly expenses. I'm seeing that where we were getting a monthly power bill, we're not getting that anymore. Where we were paying for all our food, we don't have to. We're growing, not all our food, but a large portion of our food. We've got all our pumpkins, all our potatoes come from our own garden, all our lettuces come from our own garden. So just basic stuff.
Yep.
But we've got our own muttons, and Phil does hunting when he gets a chance, which isn't very often. So we have actually got our own home-killed sausages and mince, so that's a saving.